Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Now it's been some time, so you might think, what have we been up to? So as you see, there's a lot of things that we did, which we will go back in later videos that I'm currently working on producing. They will come out in the next days, weeks, months, depending on what will happen soon. This is just supposed to be a general update video, what we did, because it's a long time since we did our last video. I think the last video we did, except the wedding video that you saw, was when we were still in Switzerland. So just a quick overview. We came to the Philippines in September and we stayed in Manila for some days, came to the province, and then we got married on the 7th of October. Leading up to that was a long story. There was a lot of things we had to do. We had to go to the city here, like a 30-minute drive every day or every other day, to process some documents, to go to the church, to get baptism certificates, to get this and that, and go to Bacolod to get it approved. Going back, we had to do a 12-hour seminar or 16-hour seminar in the church. They just talk about religion, really, so we did that. They said it's in English, they will do it in English, and the first 5 minutes was in English and the rest was in Bisaya. So I was just sitting in the church, not understanding a single word. But we did it, we got the confirmation, which was needed for us to be able to get married. Then what they didn't tell us until 4 days before the wedding was that we need to be not baptized, confirmed. Like a confirmation. I didn't have it, Abby didn't have it, because as a 12-year-old or 15-year-old in Switzerland, I just said, I don't care, I skip it, I don't need it anyway. Turns out in the Philippines you need it, so we had to do that as well, which I was very stressed about. I was really stressed about that. Turns out it's a 5-minute thing in the church, so we sorted that out. All went well, we got married on the 7th of October. There's a little video, like a 5-minute video on our YouTube channel, so if you haven't seen that, check it out, I will link it. Then we went on the honeymoon, we came back, we went on a second honeymoon. Ever since, you guys know Abby's pregnant. Maybe you know, maybe you don't. We share a lot of it on our TikTok because it's just so easy, quick, make a video like a minute and you have it. Whereas for a YouTube video, you sit down, you record it, you sit down, you edit it, you upload it. It takes more time, so we don't have that much time, so we just did some TikToks. Check it out, I'll also link it so you can check it. And yeah, there's a lot of things to do, a lot of things to prepare for the baby, the things we prepare for the marriage, and just overall things. Also Abby's visa to get to Switzerland and everything. That was a lot of work. And of course then we still have family here. There's 2 kids here, 2 young kids. Then my sister-in-law just had a baby in January. Then we have the dogs and cleaning the house and cooking. So there's a lot to do, so we didn't have time to catch up. Also another problem that I had was I downloaded the editing software on the laptop. It worked fine at the start, and then when I started it again in October or November to edit the videos of our honeymoon, it just didn't want to recognize any of the videos that I imported into it. Just said invalid source, something like that. I tried everything to fix it, I couldn't. So if you're seeing this video, I managed to fix it. I hope it works. Yes, so our plan is to get the visa approved for Abby to go to Switzerland. At the moment we are still waiting for registering our marriage in Switzerland. We started this process middle of January and we are still waiting on the confirmation, on the go that we are good. Then we can apply for her visa, and that will take another month, 2 months. And then we also need to register our daughter later, and it's just was a lot of mess. So we hope we can go by end of August or September, go back to Switzerland. So that's something we're preparing for. So that's a rough timeline. So you know, what did we do? What have we been up to? What will we do? I will try to do some more videos, take some time to edit, also do more TikTok stuff, just letting you guys know what's up. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching this quick update. We are still here, we are still working, we just don't have much time, but stay tuned.